Many of us get discouraged or disappointed because our teenagers, especially, when they don't get good grades in their school, or they don't perform well in any of the school activities, or they don't do well in the sports. And this kind of really impacts our teenagers because they are in this process of transition, and this transition involves a lot of stress. And from parents' standpoint of view, it is essential that we understand our teenagers also have their own set of challenges, like we have with respect to our workforce, experiences or challenges, or with respect to our personal challenges, or be it anything, right? They also are going through a series of challenges themselves, mainly because they are still developing, and the brain, some of the brain parts in their body or in their brain is still developing and it's still maturing, right? So it is crucial for parents to not pressurize kids and not show their frustrations as far as their parenting is concerned towards the teenagers, because it is going to be leading to a drastic negative impact on teenagers, right? So the main thing that would cause teenagers not to try is the fear of failure. The moment we start discouraging them or showing our disappointments just because they were not able to succeed in a particular activity, they would start thinking that they are not capable enough of doing a particular activity or doing a particular task. They will stop trying. They will start, doubting themselves and, having these mindset challenges wherein they feel very self-conscious about themselves, and, they start playing very safe. But all of us know that growth happens only when we try and explore, right? So as parents, we need to encourage, enable and empower our kids to grow, embrace failure, and understand that failure is there for us to learn something from it and move on towards our destination, right? So the other important thing is through failure especially, our brain learns and develops in a drastic way, and we start acting in a very matured manner, be it adults or teenagers, right? So we need to ensure that we teach this lesson to our teenagers and help them overcome this fear of failure, and make them understand that this is the stepping stone. Failure is the stepping stone for success, and we need to teach them not to get disturbed as far as these failures, these temporary setbacks and stuff like that are concerned, right? So help your children to embrace growth and develop a growth mindset instead of a fixed mindset. Your children are getting stagnant when they are not growing and when they are not trying out different things, right? So that's the moment you step in and encourage your children instead of discouraging them or showing your frustrations or disappointing them, right? Thank you so much for listening to me. Stay safe. Cheers.